Ready to start building wealth? If you're a beginner, the world of investing can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to show you the best investments to kickstart your financial journey and set you up for long-term success. Let's cut to the chase and dive into the strategies that can make a real difference. Start with index funds and ETFs. These are the easiest and most effective way to invest for beginners. Instead of picking individual stocks, you invest in a fund that tracks the market, like the S&P 500. This gives you instant diversification, reducing risk and increasing potential for growth over time. It's simple, cost-effective, and a great way to get your feet wet. Next, consider robo-advisors. These automated platforms take the guesswork out of investing. You just set your goals, and the robo-advisor handles the rest. It's like having a personal financial advisor at a fraction of the cost. It's perfect for beginners who want to invest smartly without stressing over every decision. If you're looking for steady, reliable growth, mutual funds might be for you. A mutual fund pools money from multiple investors and puts it into a mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. You'll have a professional managing your money, which makes it a low-effort, diversified way to grow your wealth over time. For those who want exposure to real estate without the hassle of owning property, REITs, real estate investment trusts, are a fantastic choice. REITs let you invest in real estate properties, like office buildings or apartments, without buying them outright. You'll earn a share of the rental income and any profits from property sales. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to a solid asset class. If you're just looking to stash your cash somewhere safe, a high-yield savings account is a smart move. While it won't make you rich, it's a risk-free place to park your emergency fund or short-term savings while earning better interest than a regular savings account. For a conservative investment, bonds are a solid option. Government and corporate bonds provide steady income through interest payments. They're less risky than stocks and add balance to your portfolio. Think of them as your financial cushion. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency. While it's high risk, the potential for huge returns is there. If you're curious about crypto, start small and only invest money you're willing to lose. It's volatile, but as the market matures, the upside could be massive. Another great way to increase your wealth is by boosting your income. Start a side business or invest in new skills. Whether it's learning digital marketing, picking up coding, or launching an online store, these efforts can dramatically increase your earning potential. The more you earn, the more you can invest. A great strategy to avoid emotional investing is dollar-cost averaging. This means investing a set amount of money at regular intervals, no matter the market's condition. It smooths out the highs and lows, helping you stay consistent and avoid costly mistakes. Finally, diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. This reduces risk and gives you more opportunities for growth. The key to long-term wealth is not putting all your eggs in one basket. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but with the right investments and a consistent strategy, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Start small, stay focused, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more investment tips. Let's make 2025 the year you start building your financial future. If you want to get rich in the next few months, here's what you need to do. Focus on building real wealth through smart, strategic decisions. It's not about luck or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about setting up systems that allow your money to grow consistently. First, eliminate all bad debt. Stop paying high interest rates on credit cards and loans. Bad debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial growth. Pay it off aggressively or consolidate it, and free up that cash to invest in your future. Next, increase your income streams. It's crucial to have multiple ways to bring in money. This could be through side hustles, freelancing, or online businesses. The more you earn, the more you can invest, and the faster your wealth will grow. Start investing aggressively. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Research investment opportunities like stocks, index funds, or even real estate. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Learn financial literacy. Educate yourself on personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Read books, take courses, or follow top financial experts. The more knowledge you gain, the better decisions you'll make with your money. Be disciplined. Build habits around saving and investing. Even if it's a small amount at first, consistency is key. Set a fixed percentage of your income to invest, and stick to it every month. Don't focus on material things that drain your money. Focus on assets that will create wealth. Buy assets, not liabilities. Whether it's investing in real estate, starting a business, or purchasing dividend-producing stocks, your goal should always be to acquire things that make you money over time. Finally, surround yourself with successful people. Network with people who have already achieved financial success, and learn from their experiences. Their mindset, strategies, and connections can open doors you never knew existed. In summary, if you want to get rich quickly, you need to shift your mindset, work hard to increase your income, invest smartly, and commit to constant learning and growth. The road to wealth isn't always easy, but with focused effort and the right strategies, you can see major progress in just a few months. Stay committed and watch your financial future transform.